welcome to my channel, Inspired Birdie. So today I have an Easter gift DIY for you from mainly Dollar Tree and Dollar Store. And if you've seen a lot of my recent DIYs, I have a lot of Easter and spring DIYs right now using items from the Dollar Store, so check those out. But today is going to be a little bit different. So today is specific to gifts for Easter for children. And I have these two gift baskets I'm going to go over with you guys today. One is for a child that I would say is over 6, and one is going to be for a child I'd say between like 2 and 6. Anyways, all of these items that you're going to see, I would say 90% are from Dollar Tree, and the rest is from the Dollar Store, which is Dollarama here in Canada. All right, guys, so let's get started. Alright guys, so here is the first gift basket DIY. So this would be more for an older child, and my second one is going to be for a younger child. So I'm going to be using this Easter grass in both DIYs. And for the first one, I'm going to be using this bucket that I recently hauled from the Dollar Tree. It's a pretty big plastic bucket, and I really like it because it's usable, so it could be reused later on down the road for something else like arts and crafts, storage, that kind of stuff. Okay, so for this basket, here are the items that I'm going to be using. And when I said more of an older kid, I don't mean like a teenager. I just mean more like maybe a 4, 5, or 6-year-old. And the other one that I'm going to do is going to be for a younger child. So here's some of the items that I found from the Dollar Tree that I thought would be a lot of fun to add in. So first item is this craft set that I thought would be really cute for a child, probably around 4, 5, or 6. And they had a lot of different craft kits for children. So they had probably about 4 or 5 different ones. So I really recommend checking out your Dollar Tree. I liked this one, Eggstra Buggy. So it's an egg decorating kit. And it shows you here, you get 6 egg coloring tablets, 1 egg diaper, bug stickers, 12 egg stands, and punch out drying tray box. So just a really fun craft to do with your child. So that's one item that I thought would be a lot of fun. I also picked up some coloring items. So I don't know if all of these are gonna fit, and if they don't all fit, you can always put like, you know, what does fit and then what doesn't, give it to them separately. But I got this really fun Fantasyland coloring book. So it's all unicorns, super fun. And for boys, they had tons of little boy coloring books as well to choose from. I also got this My Little Pony coloring and activity jumbo book. Thought that was really fun. And then also this My Little Pony Jumbo Coloring Activity book as well. So I got those 3 books. And then I also grabbed some crayons. They had a ton of crayons to choose from at the Dollar Tree. They did have Crayola. So if you're looking for name brand, they definitely had that. But these ones, which are their own brand crayons, are just as good, and you get more. So the Crayola I think had like 12, and you're getting 48 colors in here, and you get tons of colors. So I decided to go with, you know, the more, just because you get so many more, and they're kids break them and, you know, go through them pretty quickly. I also picked up some stickers I thought would be a lot of fun. These are My Little Pony, so as you can see there's kind of a theme. So yeah, I thought these would be really cute. They are reward stickers, but I mean, kids just love stickers. They can use them to decorate their coloring book or whatever they like. I also thought this was really fun. So this is a Disney Princess puzzle. So you get 5 puzzles inside here, and it's a 50-piece puzzle. So you get 5 different Disney princesses. So I thought that would be a lot of fun as well. So as you can see, for a little bit of an older child, like 4, 5, 6, 7, I'm doing more of an activity gift basket. I also recently hauled some of these pencils. So, I mean, you don't have to include these. These I recently got for myself for bullet journaling, but I'm just showing you alternative options if you have an older child and you want to do something that's more maybe art and sketching and stuff like that. That's an alternative. And this as well can be an alternative. So watercolor pencils that the Dollar Tree had. So you use these with water and it does watercolor. So I'm not adding these in. I just wanted to show you guys an alternative. I'm also going to include some Silly Putty. This is the original Silly Putty. I thought this was just a lot of fun to include. This is a glow in the dark. So that was really fun. And then of course it's Easter, so I'm going to add in some chocolate. So I have these Russell Stover that I got from the Dollar Tree. I also have this Easter Bunny milk chocolate. This is good too for any parents out there who might have peanut allergy children. So made in a peanut-free factory, and it's milk chocolate. I also have some Hershey eggs that I'm going to include as well. All right, so let's get started in putting this together. Alright everybody, so moving on to the second gift basket. You will see the wrapping at the end, but here's the second one. I'm going to be using this really adorable basket that I actually got from Dollar Tree. Super cute. They had it in tons of different colors. I believe they had yellow, purple, and like a bluish greenish kind of color as well. So absolutely love these baskets because they are something you can use later on for crafts and things like that. And this really cute sign I hauled a while back from the Dollar Tree, not the Dollar Tree, the dollar store, and I really didn't know what to use it for, so I'm going to use the top part, just the E, to decorate my basket even further. I just thought it would add, you know, a little extra decor and would just look really super cute. I also thought about maybe putting the letters all the way around the basket, but I decided not to do that. But if you do buy this sign, it's so easy to take apart if you want to DIY it for anything else. So easy to just take the whole sign apart and to use for some other purpose. So anyways, that's what I'm doing for the basket, just to give it that little extra decor, like I said. And I'm just going to hot glue it right on there like that. I thought that it would look really cute. And other than the sign, I'm not really going to be using anything else for decor pieces other than the little tiny Easter eggs that you saw me use in the first DIY, the sparkle Easter eggs. Other than that, there really isn't anything else I'm going to use to decorate around or inside the basket. All right, so for the basket itself, like I said, I'm going to be using this grass again. It is really tough to use. I don't know if you guys ever used it, but it's really tough to pull apart. So I'm going to be using the grass at the very bottom. And then I'm going to show you guys what candy I'm going to include. It's pretty much going to be the same candy that you saw in the first gift basket, as well as the Oreos that you might have seen me haul about 2 or 3 hauls ago, is really what I'm going to be adding in from a treat perspective. And then I'll show you guys what little goodies extra I'm going to add in as well. for this gift basket, I thought it would be really fun to do something different and use these really pretty aluminum type eggs that you might have seen me haul in one of my Dollar Tree hauls recently, and use them to hide little treats inside of them. I know little kids would love to open something up and be surprised by what's inside it, and I thought this would be perfect for a little child. You can do this for an older kid as well if you can find goodies to add in, but here's some of the little goodies I found for a smaller child. I thought these cute little bracelets from the Dollar Tree were really cute for a kid. Who wouldn't love a nice little piece of jewelry? So I got two of them. I got one of the gold, and I believe the second one that I got is a silver bracelet as well. They have tons of jewelry at the Dollar Tree you can choose from. Oh, it's clear, not silver, but they have tons that you can choose from. They also had necklaces, you know, little hair accessories that you can use as well. So tons of different little options. Even if you have a kid maybe that likes wearing, you know, nail polish, they have little bottles of nail polish that you can put in as well. So tons of different options. I also thought it would be really fun to include these children's rings. So this was $1 for all three of them. How cute and adorable are these? So you get the unicorn, you get a cupcake, and you get a little kitty. It looks like a Hello Kitty almost, but I don't think it is Hello Kitty. I'll show you a close-up here so you can see what they look like, but they had tons of different options to choose from. And if you have a little boy, check out the Dollar Tree kids section. There's tons of little goodies you can add in for a little boy. They have a bunch of like really tiny action figures that would fit inside these eggs and things like that. So here's the unicorn, super cute. And then here's the little cupcake, and then of course the cat. So I thought that would be really cute to add in one of the eggs as well, but so many different options. And then of course I thought, why not put another silly putty? It does say ages 4+. Just make sure they're supervised if they happen to be younger, but I thought it would be a lot of fun to put in a silly putty. And my Dollar Tree had a lot of different silly putties, so not just the original. They had like glow in the dark, changing color, tons of different ones that you can choose from. So I thought that would be really cute as well. And then why not stickers? Kids love stickers. So this pack of stickers that I picked up, I'm actually going to cut them up into small little sections so that I can fit the entire package inside one of the Easter eggs. I mean, then again, you can just put the entire pack in the basket, but I thought it would be a lot of fun to hide them inside one of the little Easter eggs so that there's another little treat they can open up and be surprised by. So that's what I'm doing with this pack of stickers. And it doesn't have to be Easter. You know Dollar Tree, if you shop there like I do all the time, they have tons of stickers that you can choose from. And there you have it. They fit perfectly inside. Alright guys, so once I was done putting this basket together, I realized I really didn't have enough things in it that I wanted to. So I wanted to make it, you know, more like the other one, add in some more fun crafts and things like that as well. So I ended up making a trip to my dollar store. So that's Dollarama in Canada. And I picked up a few really fun finds that I was able to discover that I thought would be really cool to add into this gift basket. So I'm going to share those items with you right now. But if I was at Dollar Tree, I would have just grabbed some items at Dollar Tree. My Dollar Tree, though, is a good 20 minutes from where I live. So I just went to the Dollarama beside my house. So first off, for $2, I thought this was a lot of fun. So these are stickers, there's games, there is one of those doodles, color and doodles, a coloring book, and I thought this would be just tons of fun for a little child. Plus it comes with crayons, so I didn't have to worry about buying a box of crayons, and I thought it was super cute and a really great option. I also really love this glitter art. It was $1.50, and it's art that your child can do with glitter. So if you have a really young child, it's something that you can do with them so that they're supervised and not getting glitter all over your beautiful home. But I just thought it would be a lot of fun. So you get a bunch of glitter packages. You get one of the arts. It shows you right on the box here. 4 pouches, a peel back tool, and one easel back frame. So I thought that was a lot of fun for only $1.50. And again, guys, they had tons of different options. I also thought for a little child, a memory game. How awesome is that? Really great teaching tool. It was only $2. It's the Barbie Topia. I thought that would be a lot of fun as well. They had tons of different ones to choose from. They also had like superheroes and things like that as well. So I picked up those additional items to throw into this gift basket. And I also picked up a really, really important item that I forgot to haul for you guys in the beginning, and it's this transparent wrap. Of course, if you're doing a gift basket, you're gonna need some transparent wrap. So for $1.25 at Dollarama, I picked up this really beautiful transparent wrap, which would have been the same price at my Dollar Tree. Sorry guys, that's my daughter in the background playing, so if you hear some babbling going on, I apologize. But this is really beautiful transparent wrap, and of course, some ribbon. I loved this ribbon pack. It was only $1.50 from Dollarama, and what I love about it is that you get a variation of colors, and you get a bunch of little tiny bows. So I thought that would be a lot of fun as well to use for the wrapping. Alright everyone, there you have the final products. I did do a lot of the wrapping off camera because it was just really complicated to get the camera set up properly. But as you can see, I ended up using these really cute decorative Easter eggs. I hauled these a while back from Dollarama and I didn't know what to use them for, so I thought it would be really cute to use them as a decorative piece on these baskets, as well as the ribbon you saw and the transparent wrap as well. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed these easy, fun, dollar store, Dollar Tree gift DIY ideas for Easter, and that you're inspired to make your own basket. It's so much cheaper to do it yourself, plus you can customize exactly what you're looking for. And again, this isn't just for a kid, you can do this really for anybody. So I hope you guys are inspired and that you enjoyed these videos. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel, and thank you so much for watching guys. Love and peace to you all. Bye.